guys ready to do this?
Hey guys, and welcome to Move with Colour, the most exciting dance experience in the comfort of your own home.
You want to share this one with a friend. We're going to do something a little different today. It's more fun this way, yeah?
Start from the beginning with Colourform. Try dozens of free themed classes. Learn to attract more on the dance floor. Or take the next step with Premium. Move with Colour is your opportunity to dance because it feels good, to move because you know you should, and to express that feeling inside that only you could. Let's pretend for just a minute that anything is possible.
Can you fly up into the sky? Big stretch.
Even just for a little bit.
You're absolutely nailing this right now.
Move better together.